Every success story once started as a dream, a deep yearning in the heart, a passion ignited within the soul, a calling. But every dream has been faced with adversities, your own fears or self-doubt, others telling you it's not possible, or the inevitable rejection or failures one faces when they put themselves out there. Dreams do not come true easily or without some sort of a fight, a strong will that sees through the dark night. But how do you get there when faced with so much objection? How do you know which path to take or the steps it takes to achieve your goal? But dreams are the gift we have been given, our talents, our passions, our joy. This is our purpose. To deny this is to deny our own selves. Over the place they have these really cute little fruit stands here, mainly selling apples. Up where I am right now, in different regions you can find all sorts of fruits, but here specifically they have apples, and actually very, very sweet. Normally green apples are quite sour and I kind of stay away from them, but it's actually really sweet. Quite delicious, and I'm about to go on a hike now, so I think I'm gonna fuel up for the way. Mom. This is the only thing that's holding me up right now. Yeah. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. See. He's not gonna fall. Okay, 1, 2. Oh. Okay. Sorry. Well, I have to do this one. Seriously, thank you so much. Welcome to Taroko National Park. This is officially the highest road in Taiwan at 3,275 meters. Woo! And I have to say, one of the best roads I have ever ridden. In fact, all of Taiwan is like motorcycle heaven. Woo! It was definitely a biker's paradise here. and I saw a lot of riders, from scooters to heavy bikes. This place was packed, but it was also a holiday weekend. Not the best time to visit, I guess.
It's so crazy. There are so many bikes here, and I can see why it is honestly like bike heaven. And it's the weekend too, so it's extra busy.
As I got to the top, the roads were lined with vehicles and pedestrians making their way to the hiking trails. There were dozens of hikes to choose from here. I arrived midday, so I chose a smaller route. Despite being quite busy, I still managed to escape the crowds a bit. The weather seemed to turn quick. I thought I'd get caught in rain, but instead it brought this beautiful, eerie mist. I think I was the only foreign tourist here. People were quite curious and friendly to meet me. And I made a few friends too. This group was trying to figure out how to make a flagpole with their flag. Well, I am the master of jugaad, so I put something together. They were all so impressed. When we step into the realm of possible, having complete faith that our heart is the compass, believing without a doubt that, regardless of not knowing the direction or how to reach your desired goal, that dream, that feeling, is the fuel that keeps you going. It is only our own fear and disbelief that stops us from going anywhere. If we step out of our own way and trust, taking small steps along the way, giving that small push that creates the momentum and open space for miracles to happen, you will undoubtedly soar far beyond your potential and what you ever thought possible. I have experienced this firsthand many times in my life. Still, I fall for fear and doubt, but every time I am humbly reminded of what I am capable of if I believe and take that first step. It's hard not knowing the way and being overwhelmingly burdened with the unknown. But the bravest thing we can do is follow what scares us. It might be the very thing that brings you home, to the land of your dreams and endless possibilities. Dream big, my friends, and never give up hope.
This is what you don't see in the YouTube video. I played around here too long getting footage because it was so beautiful, and now I'm late. I still have like 20 minutes to get back to my bike, and it's gonna be dark. I wanted one more drone shot of the roads because I didn't get that yet. So much to do, so little time. This is how I stay fit on the road. Now I have to walk all the way up there. My bike's parked up there. Oh, that was so nice actually. I hitchhiked and I got picked up right away, and they brought me to the top to my bike, and I got a run.